Okay, phase 2 in this is to create a new area. If you wanted to add to this current area, you could add in some more. If you want to add to this current area, you can add in some more buildings or a road or whatever you want to make this look okay. Just try and stick to the current theme. Don't throw in something that looks out of place. Phase 2 then is to design a new area, and that's going to be the inside of the mine up here in the northeast corner. So to do that, you can go and right click on the word area and choose new, or you can also go to the wizards menu and choose area wizard. All these wizards are windows that pop up that take you through step by step and show you how to build these different elements. But the area wizard is what we want first. And we'll call this one FERNESK mine. And then the tile set we're going to use is the Mines and Caverns. Click next. The size on this one, we're going to make it smaller. We're going to do 5 for the height and 4 for the width. Click next. And then finish. Okay, this tile set is a little different. It's mostly black. If you zoom out, you can see it's almost entirely black here. And so when instead of building things, designing the landscape, you're actually carving it out of the solid walls that are defaulted here. And actually, to start off, we're going to fill this in with all black and start with a blank slate. So go to the Terrain tab and choose Wall, and then left click here and here to fill that in. What we want to do in this area is create an entrance, which is actually an exit, but we're going to use exit 3 from the features list. And if you go over here to the side, you can see which way it's facing. It's currently facing the wrong direction. You want to right click it once and twice, and now it's facing in. And we're going to place this on the lower left corner, but in the second from the left square here. If you place it correctly, you should get something like this with the blue arrow facing north, and that's what we want to have. Okay, out here on the left side, we're going to create some tracks that run up the side here that would be used for hauling out the stuff that they're mining. And that's actually in the terrain list. Here you'll find tracks, and in the terrain list you'll find tracks, and we're going to place these on the left side here, going up the area to the north, but don't go any farther than that. You don't want to run off of the map, so leave that one closed. Okay, we're also going to go into the features list and grab a Mineshaft. And when we do that, if we place that right over here, you'll see that already we're almost out of room, and this is joined with the entrance area, and that's not necessarily what we want. And the reason we placed that there was just to show you that you can expand the size of your level even after you've started. So don't feel like once you've set the area size that you're locked into that. If you need more room, you can add more room. The tool set will add tile space to the north and to the east of your map, the top and the right side. So let's go and do that. Let's go to the edit menu and choose resize area, and let's make this area 8 tall and 5 wide, and then click OK. And now we've got a lot more room to work with. Let's delete the mine by choosing from the terrain list, choose wall, and just erase. And we'll erase, and then we'll choose wall and fill in this area like that. Okay, grab the tracks. We need to extend these up farther now that the area is larger. So there and there and there, but don't go past the edge again. We will place the Mineshaft now north, right about here. And then go back and grab the floor, and we're going to create a floor area up towards the top. Let's make it 2 wide, just like that. So now we've got the entrance area, the tracks running up the left side. We've got a floor area here and a mine shaft area here. We're going to create connections or hallways between the tracks and these two rooms, and we'll do that with the corridor terrain. And we'll do it like this, and we'll do it like this. If you don't like where those are placed, you can do them anywhere where the two rooms connect. So there's different places you could add in the corridor. Okay, we're also going to add some water, and we're going to add the water in between these two areas here, and also along the right edge here like this. Okay, so you've got water in this area and there. And you'll notice real quickly that the tile sets adjust and redraw themselves so it all matches and it looks nice. Yours won't look exactly like mine because it's kind of random when it starts, but that looks pretty good. At this point you may want to save and test your module just to see how it looks, and you can walk all through here and do that kind of stuff.